I'm a little rat, let's sing the alphabet. How fun is that? A is for apple, shiny and sweet. B is for ball, rolling at my feet. C is for car, zooming so fast. D is for dog, barking at last. Cuckoo.
E is for egg, cracking today. F is for fish, swimming away.
G is for goat, munching the grass. H is for house, where families pass. Squeak, 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 the rat says hooray! We learn A to Z, let's sing every day. Nay, I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. The bay.
J is for jar, full to hold. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lamp, shining bright and sound.
M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for owl, hooting woo. P is for parrots, colorful too. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, 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 the rat says hooray! We learn A to Z, let's sing every day. Nay.
Q is for queen, with her crown. R is for rat, running through town.
S is for star, sparkling high. T is for tree, reaching the sky. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for van, driving in lanes. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. X is for x-ray, showing our feet. Y is for yak, furry and tall. Z is for zoo, the best place of all. Squeak, 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 the rat says hooray! We learn A to Z, let's sing every day. Nay. Squeak, 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 the rat says hooray! We learn A to Z, let's sing every day. Nay.